There can be many things, etc. In this, you can tell about 5 benefits or harms of potatoes, or similarly, 5 benefits or harms of guavas. People like to watch such videos. You just have to search on Google, create a nice thumbnail, mix everything together, do good video editing, and upload the video. So, our next niche is thriller stories. There are very few channels for this, brother. Quickly open this type of channel. For this, you just need to generate a 5-minute thriller suspense story using ChatGPT, convert it to voice using 11 Labs, and create a video by adding AI photos. Be sure to check out this idea once. Honestly, there is very little competition in this. Your channel will grow quickly.
To make this type of video, you can search for real horror story on Google. You can use 11 Labs to convert it into voice. After editing it nicely, you can upload such videos on YouTube. There are very few channels available on YouTube now. Papu, now you tell me, I am coming.
There can be many things,